Hello everyone, my name is Rutuja Tavre. Welcome to my YouTube channel and also welcome in a class series of German language. In today's class, we will learn how to write and pronounce months in German language. So, the month, der Monat, and the plural of it, the months, die Monate. Okay, let's start. January, Januar, February, Februar, March, März, April, April, May, June, Juni, July, Juli, August, September, October, November, December, To watch how to pronounce each alphabet, you need to watch Lesson 2. Lesson 2 is all about the alphabets in German language. Okay? We will repeat one more time. Januar, Februar, März, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, September, October, November, December. Done? If you find this video helpful, do like, share and subscribe. Also let me in the comment section how this video is helping you. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye for now. Have a great time.